everyone, this is Frugal Panda here with a quick review of the Lacidoll humidifier. This is a 16 liter 4.2 gallon whole house humidifier, good for around 2,000 square feet. Now, getting this in the mail, it came through Amazon. It got here lightning fast. I mean, like I ordered it and I swear it was here the next day. It was just that quick. So what we're doing right here is we're going to quickly unbox this. Be careful when you take it out. I took it out and turned it over and did it that way just so it doesn't fall out or anything like that and you damage it. Anyway, you get it. This is a seriously robust humidifier. I've never had a humidifier this size. I got like 2 or 3 other humidifiers, but this thing is huge. You know, I was like, oh man. Anyway, took it apart. I was like, uh-oh, where's all the parts at for it? No big deal. Took off the second component, which I'm about to do in a minute, and there was all the parts inside there. So you got your nozzle. There's your pump right there with your tube attached that pulls the water up. Inside is also your nozzle. That nozzle is to put humidity into the air, but also direct it towards your plants, which is really, really cool. I really like that. You get a little towel with it, which I thought was really cool. Your manual, and I didn't actually look and see, but I was pleasantly surprised when I found out it actually had a remote control with it. So that was very satisfying to have a remote control. Also has a 1-year warranty, which was cool. There's your remote control right there. And I didn't actually even know it had one, so I was actually really happy. There's your oil aroma box. You put it in there, you put some essential oil in there, and I actually tested this. My wife did, and it smelled the house, like made the house smell really nice. Your directional vent, your water level indicator. Of course, you see me pouring this water in. It takes 4.2 gallons, so it'll take quite a bit of that. There's your water pump. It actually sticks to the bottom. Put that on there, just like that, and I will leave it like that, and I won't be taking the bottom piece off just because I don't want to have to pull out the water pump all the time and accidentally damage anything. So we'll leave it in there, and we'll do it the alternate way of pouring water into it, which is actually really simple. Just remind yourself when this is filled to the top or to the water level indicator, it is very heavy. So make sure wherever you have it when it's full that you have it to where you don't have to move it around a lot. Also, you should not use a humidifier of this size on your carpet because it does put out a lot of mist and water and stuff. So I'm just testing it right now. But so there we are. You can watch right there as I'm pouring water into it. You can see the water level indicator is going higher, which I really like. So anyway, let's go ahead and power it on. See how it goes. It was pretty painless putting this together. The manual was very easy to understand. I actually just really glanced at it. The bidirectional vent on top was really cool, so you can decide which way you want the actual mist to go, which is really cool right here. You can increase the humidity. I want to say it goes all the way to 90% or something like that. It also has different high speed levels for the mist too, so low, medium, high, and maybe turbo. And also has what they call interval, which is basically it will mist for 30 seconds, stop for 30 seconds, and mist again. If you don't want to refill this a lot, you put it on the interval like that. And the interval, like I said, every 30 minutes. We went to sleep and went up, and it hadn't hardly used that much water, to be honest with you, which I thought was really cool. And yeah, like I said in the video, as I'm saying, it really had a lot of my humidifiers would be out of water by the next day. This was not even close to it, so that was really cool. Also, here is my temperature right here. It was, our humidity was at 30%. About 20-30 minutes later, it was at 33%. And mind you, my house has huge vaulted ceilings. So it says 2,000 square feet, and maybe my living room is 2,000 square feet. It might be bigger than that. But with the vaulted ceilings, it's huge, and it still impacted the humidity in the air in my house, in the central part of my house, easily. If I put this in a room, no doubt it would keep the humidity up in there very high. Anyway, here I am connecting the nozzle so you can direct actually the mist actually towards your plants, which I thought was really cool. Look at that pumping. It is really serious. I mean, you got pumps, got plants that need a lot of water or just need misted all the time. This is your guy right here. Look at that. So this was really cool. So this begs the question, why have I not got a large humidifier in my past? I have no answer for you. I believe I should have got this a long time ago because less hassle having to refill them all the time. They look good. They work good. They're powerful. And just the humidity itself that it puts out is just awesome to keep you from having nosebleeds. The aromatherapy part of it too. Okay, here's an example of just how high my vaulted ceilings are, if you're curious, and it still was able to raise the humidity in my house. And my living room area is pretty high, but it still impacted the humidity, which is a good thing. Now, if I put it in a room, I can see this is doing even way more. Anyway, this is Frugal Panda reviewing the Lacidoll 4.2 gallon humidifier. I highly recommend it, and I hope this helps someone out here that's curious about larger humidifiers and how they can help you in your household. Have a good day, everyone. Bye.